Okay, what are we looking at, Rebecca? Rebecca just discovered our dishwasher. Are you going to tell everybody how to use a dishwasher? You were talking up a storm before. Oh, you want to show everybody how you can do Rebecca, do No, come on, you can do the you do it so well. Okay, I think she just has to, figure this out and see, what exactly we're working with. Let's turn on the side. Woohoo! Sad view! Well, Rebecca can cruise now, and she can, sit up and sit down, and stand up and stand down. It's really cool. Okay, are you gonna do something amazing? Or are you just gonna stand there? I know, you're gonna come for this, aren't ya? Oh, you can close the dishwasher because you're done playing with it. Can you do that? Wanna close it for Mama? Oh wow, this is actually pretty cool because normally he would come running after the video camera, but she is really enamored with this dishwasher. I think she's found her new toy. Sorry about that. No inner monologue, none, no inside voice. It's all outside. Yeah, that's very exciting, honey. Okay, let's get a close-up. No, Mommy's not that silly. Oh, can you tell everybody that now you are 10 months old? Yeah? Say, I'm 10 months old? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Can you say bye-bye? Rebecca, say bye-bye. Rebecca! Ray. Rebecca! Rebecca said, okay, she said bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, that's not how you do it, I guess. I messed up, sorry. Say bye-bye now.